Next, we'll talk about how to switch the button layout using shortcut keys. By default, the controller is in Shinput mode, which is for PC. The buttons follow the standard layout. A is A, B is B, X is X, Y is Y. If you want to switch to a switch style button layout and you prefer that layout, press FN plus to toggle the button layout. Now pressing A will register as B, and pressing B will register as A. This is usually used in Switch mode, because Xbox and Switch controllers have opposite button layouts. You can adjust it according to your personal preference. Remember, hold FN plus A for 3 seconds to switch the ABXY layout. Then hold F plus A again for 3 seconds to switch back to the original layout. You can cycle between the two layouts.